Hey guys, it's Don from City Warmth. Now, which ones of you have a radiator valve that looks like this somewhere in your house? In this quick video, we're going to teach you how to fix this problem yourself without spending any money on a plumber or heating engineer. To fix this problem, the first thing we need to do is buy a replacement TRV head that you can buy from places like Screwfix and other DIY retailers. We then want to go to the radiator and remove the old TRV collar. Lefty-loosey or anti-clockwise rotation to remove the TRV head. We then want to get the replacement TRV head, opening it up to the number 5 so it goes on nice and easy. Put it on in a natural feeling way so it slots on and doesn't seem to move around. Then tighten up the collar onto the thread by going righty-tighty or clockwise the whole way down until you can't tighten it anymore. And there you are guys, a TRV head which you have replaced yourself. Good job, saving yourself quite a lot of money in the process and giving yourself a radiator which you can control, regulating the heating to the room, saving yourself money on your gas bill as well.